Yes, so hello student, good afternoon one and all. So today we are going to discuss explain number 3, that is perform arithmetic operation on an array using the different operations. Okay, so what are the different operations? What are different arithmetic operations? Okay, so forget these things, uh, basic things. What are the different arithmetic operations? Addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. What wha- what will perform by the addition operation? It will perform the two numbers addition and save it into the third number if available. Okay, just same like subtraction, multiplication and division. Okay, so so just here we will perform arithmetic operation that are addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Okay, we can also perform transpose of a given matrix also. Just we have to write a dash on that, apostrophe we have to add on that. Okay, we will discuss things through the practicals. Okay, now next one is inversion. Also we can create inversion log of given array, then multiplication of an given array. So here we can perform different type of arithmetic operation on the given array. So let's discuss these things. Okay, so here we will have two array, that are array A and array B. And in array we are having the element that are 1 2 3 4, and for B array we are having 3 4 5 6 element. And here what we are going to do, we are going to perform arithmetic operation just simple, that are A plus B, which is the result which is stored into the C operator. Okay, just like same as a subtraction. For multiplication you have to use multiplication, but keep this thing in mind, you have to use dot over here, because this thing, whenever we are going to perform the matrix multiplication, at that time you have to what 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 you have to convey to the interpreter of matrix. You are going to convey that this is the multiplication of a given digits, given numbers, not the string. If you are not putting the dot into the in between the a star b, okay, so it will create garbage value. Okay, so here you have to put the dot. Okay, so just same like as a same funda is applicable to division also. So you have to just put the dot in front of forward slash, that is division sign. Okay, so these are the things which are related to the matrix multiplication. Just see here, dot multiplication, inversion operation. Okay, just you have to write inv of a given matrix, inv of an given array, and this is the transpose of an given array. Transpose operation means what? Whatever the row which are available and column which are available, their row will shifted into the column and column will shifted into the row. That operation is called as transpose operation. Just here a dash, if we write over here, so 1 2 3 4 will be print, but after applying the operation, that is transpose operation, so 1 2, this is row will be get converted into the column, that is 1 2, and 3 4, that is uh, row which available second, which is converted into the column. Okay, so this is your transpose operation. Just like just same as a exponentiation, another operation is exponentiation. So whatever the value you wanted to add into the given array, just you have to add into the x raised to a. What is x over here? X is nothing but your operation, x is nothing but your value. Okay, So we are going to perform this operation, or performing whether it perform regularly or not. Okay, so we will discuss this thing with the help of the practical. Okay, so here we are having the code for explain number 3, that is MATLAB program for arithmetic operation. And as you know that as I earlier say in last lecture also, CLC and clear all, these are your starting commands. Okay, and what it describe? It describe the starting of your program. CLC and clear all means what? CLC stand for clear the console, and clear all will clear all the workspace, all the variable which are available into the matrix workspace. Okay, so here we are displaying the matrix 4 by 4 matrix. Okay, so here the elements are 6, 12, 18 and 24. Okay, so this is the array for I'm executing this command, I am executing this program, and I will get this kind of operation, this kind of result. And again I am creating another 4 by 4 matrix. Okay, so 4 by 4 matrix is here. Okay, now what I'm trying to do, I'm trying to perform addition of array 1 and array 2, and where I'm going to store in it, in the array add. Okay, so here the content which is to be stored into the array add. Okay, so I'm displaying the content of array add. So here we will get, this is the contents of array add. Okay, so just like as array subtraction of an given array, multiplication of an given array. Okay, array addition, array subtraction, array multiplication, array division. Okay, now transpose. Okay, so what will perform transpose? Transpose will perform whatever the row element which are available, which will get converted into the, which will get converted into the column, and column will get converted into the rows. Okay, so thus like way, this is the exponentiation operation on a given array. Okay, so I'm adding the two value, two digit into the given array, raised to the power 2. And inversion. Okay, so inversion operation which are also available. Okay, so it will calculate the inversion of an given array. So I am passing over here array 3, the that is 0 1 minus 2 and 3 4 minus 2 minus 4 5 6. So it will get, after applying this command, it will display the inversion of an given array. So this is the inversion of a given array. So this is for arithmetic operation of an given array. So we perform the arithmetic operation. Which operation we perform? Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Okay, so for multiplication and division, what we use? Dot multiplication and dot division. Okay, next what we perform? We perform transposition or transpose of a given matrix, and then exponentiation of a given matrix, and inversion of a given matrix. So this is for arithmetic operation for the given array. Okay, thank you.